the Shelly Studio. Today, I'm taking a break from my collection of curiosities. Well, sort of. I have been trying to figure out how to print on plastic. Yeah, I don't think that ever works. So I was trying to do like an image transfer onto plastic. It didn't work, and I had this one last picture to go, and I just decided I would just do something different with it. So I am printing the image and adding some splashes of color with like the yellow there with the brayer down, and then I thought I'd put these dots in a teal color just to make it interesting. My problem is I pulled it with the cheap Walmart copy paper. I've got to learn, if I want a final piece that's nice, I've got to use better quality paper. You'll see in the end. So this is just a real short, quick little video showing this one pull. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how my image transfers, the first layer where you get the image on there, has been turning out. I've only done a few. I wish I had a laser printer at home so that I could print my own images and do it. Otherwise, you have to go to the copy center, and it takes effort. So, anyway, I'm trying to put some white in her eyes and whiten up her teeth. And I think I'm going to add a little color to her lips. I don't know if I color her eyes or not. But yeah, we'll give her some pink lips. I think I add one more. Oh yes, I have this stamp. I think it's a Froyle design. It's a foam stamp that you can get at PM Artist Studio. I love the repeating pattern of this, and so I'm gonna stamp this on here. And of course, I'm stamping, what I'm doing is the background, so the image is going to be over the top, so it's not going to be as bright once I pull it. And I know that. I really like how bright it is right now. But I decide to pull it in purple, I believe. Oh, I add one more thing. I decided to add a word, but I decided to pull it in a purple. And you don't see me put the purple down or put the paper on, but the paper, when I put it on, it rippled, and I tried to hold it down where those ripples were, and I actually ended up putting a board on there and putting some weight on it and leaving it overnight. So when I took the weight off the next morning, the paper was perfectly flat. I was so excited that it actually had gone flat. But you'll see in the poll at the end, that didn't help. But I will have to give this a try again. It was a fun little side trip while I was doing my collection of curiosities. A little variety never hurts, right? Anyways, here comes the poll. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.